Welcome to my full review of Visme, a web-based visual content creation platform that promises to help anyone, from marketers to educators, design stunning visuals without needing advanced design skills. As someone who's used the platform extensively, I want to share exactly what it offers, what it does well, and where it falls short. When you first land on Visme's homepage, you're greeted with a clean, modern interface that highlights its use cases, presentations, infographics, reports, social media graphics, and more. The sign-up process is quick, with options to register by email or through Google. Once logged in, you'll enter the Visme dashboard, which is user-friendly and organizes your projects clearly. You can start from scratch or use one of their many templates. The templates are a strong point. They're professionally designed and cover a range of industries and purposes. However, once you start editing, you'll notice that the editor is somewhat slower compared to some of its competitors, like Canva. It's not a deal breaker, but you do need a decent internet connection and some patience with loading times. The design editor offers a lot of flexibility. You can drag and drop elements, adjust layers, and apply animations. There's an extensive library of charts, icons, and stock photos, many of which are high quality. For data-heavy content, Visme shines. You can integrate live data and build dynamic charts, which is ideal for businesses and educators. That said, the learning curve for some of the advanced features is steeper than expected. Beginners might find themselves overwhelmed without guidance. Many useful links you can find in the description. Moving on to exporting and sharing, Visme gives you multiple options. You can download your project as a PDF, PNG, or MP4, or generate a link for live sharing. The branding features are impressive as well. You can create brand kits with your colors, logos, and fonts, which saves time and maintains consistency. Collaboration tools are available too, allowing teams to comment and work on the same project. However, these features are mostly locked behind the higher tier plans. The free plan is pretty limited, with heavy watermarking and restricted access to templates and assets. The pricing itself is a mixed bag. The personal plan starts at a moderate monthly fee, but to unlock all the best features like privacy controls, analytics, and full download options, you need to opt for the business plan, which is significantly more expensive. Compared to other tools in the market, Visme sits at a higher price point, which might not suit individual users or small teams. Another drawback is customer support. While they do have a help center and offer tutorials, response times from their live chat can be slow during peak hours. Also, browser compatibility can sometimes be an issue. Certain features don't run smoothly on Firefox, for example. In summary, Visme is a powerful tool for creating visually rich content, especially if your focus is on data presentation and business communication. It's best suited for professionals, educators, and marketers who need polished visuals with detailed data integration. If you're looking for a more lightweight tool for quick designs, there might be better options. But if you're committed to quality and ready to invest some time and money, Visme is absolutely worth trying. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews and walkthroughs.